Printify is a print-on-demand dropshipping platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and sell custom-designed products online without having to handle inventory or production. Users can choose from a wide range of products such as apparel, accessories, home decor, and more, and then customize them with their own designs or artwork. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the fusion of artificial intelligence, AI, with design processes has ushered in a new era of creative possibilities. Nowhere is this more apparent than on platforms like Printify, where AI-driven customization tools empower users to transform ordinary products into personalized masterpieces. A striking example of this innovative synergy is the ability to design a Porsche car onto a mug. The journey begins as users navigate to the Printify platform and select their canvas, the humble mug. From there, they are greeted with a plethora of customization options, each one a gateway to unleashing their creativity. However, it's the integration of AI that truly elevates the customization experience to unprecedented heights. Imagine being able to specify every detail of a Porsche design with just a few clicks. With AI algorithms at the helm, users can input their preferences, from the model of the Porsche to the intricate nuances of its design elements. Want a classic 911 Carrera in Guards red with racing stripes? No problem. Prefer a sleek Panamera in midnight blue with subtle branding? Consider it done. Once the user's preferences are inputted, the AI goes to work, processing the data and generating a digital rendition of the customized Porsche design, tailored to fit the surface area of the mug. This involves complex pattern recognition algorithms meticulously mapping out every curve and contour, ensuring that the final design seamlessly integrates with the mug's form factor. But the magic doesn't stop there. Thanks to AI's adaptability, users have the freedom to experiment and fine-tune their designs with ease. Want to adjust the placement of the Porsche logo or explore different color combinations? Simply tweak the settings and watch as the AI effortlessly recalibrates the design in real time. Once satisfied with the design, users can proceed to order their personalized Porsche mug, safe in the knowledge that AI played a pivotal role in bringing their vision to fruition. It's a testament to the transformative power of technology, enabling individuals to transcend traditional boundaries and express their unique identity in tangible, meaningful ways. In essence, the integration of AI technology within platforms like Printify represents more than just a tool for customization. It's a gateway to a world where imagination knows no bounds, and every product becomes a canvas for self-expression. Whether it's designing a Porsche car on a mug or embarking on any other creative endeavor, AI continues to reshape the landscape of digital design, one personalized masterpiece at a time. To further enhance the appeal of the design, we can incorporate the iconic Porsche logo and the selected font style onto the edges of the mug. This process involves careful placement and sizing to ensure a harmonious blend with the overall aesthetic. Using the customization tools provided by Printify, users can easily add the Porsche logo to the rim of the mug, creating a subtle yet impactful visual element. Additionally, integrating the chosen font style allows for personalized messages or captions to accompany the design, adding a layer of individuality to the final product. By strategically placing these elements along the edges of the mug, we not only elevate the visual impact of the design, but also create a cohesive and captivating aesthetic that resonates with Porsche enthusiasts and design aficionados alike. In essence, the addition of the Porsche logo and the chosen font style to the edges of the mug serves to enhance its overall appeal, transforming it into a truly unique and eye-catching piece that reflects the user's personal style and preferences. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about innovations in the world of e-commerce. Discover e-commerce world with us.